Step 1.1 Plant Needs. Lesson 2. Activity 6. Practical Research. The plants need soil. Tools. 250 milliliters plastic cup. Agricultural soil, silt. Paper towels. Bean seeds. Resealable plastic bags. Water. Steps. Moisten the paper towel with water. Place 3 seeds in the paper towel in the upper half and fold the other half so that it covers the seeds, and then place them in the plastic bag and close it tight. Fill the plastic cup with soil, plant 3 seeds in it, then water them with water. Place the bag and cup in a place where sunlight reaches. Monitor the seed growth for several days. Dampen the paper towels and water the soil as needed. Record all your observations of growth.
Observation. Seeds placed in both soil and paper towel germinate. Conclusion. Soil is not one of the basic needs of plants. Seeds can grow without soil if water and light are provided. The growth rate of a plant grown in soil is greater than that of a plant grown in paper towels. Lesson 3. Activity 7. The practical research. Sunlight is a basic need. The plant makes its food by carrying out the process of photosynthesis, as in the following steps. Plant leaves absorb sunlight and carbon dioxide from the air, and roots absorb water from the soil to carry out photosynthesis so that the plant makes its food. The process of photosynthesis produces sugar, which provides plants with the energy needed for growth. Plants also release oxygen gas, which living organisms use to breathe.
Why is this plant always bent towards the window?
Because plants need sunlight to grow.
How do you know?
Okay, we'll do an experiment to prove this.
Okay, what do we need to perform the experiment?
We will need 2 pieces of card, jug of water, scissors, small potted plant which should fit into the box, and a shoe box.
Shall we start?
We will cut a large window in one end of the box. Cut a window in each card and keep it aside. Put the pot in the cardboard box and fix the cardboard piece slightly above it. Cover the box and keep in well-lit place for few days. Water the plant every day. After some days, you will notice that the plant has grown out of the opening of the cardboard piece. Now, fix the second piece of cardboard slightly above the previous card. Water every day and keep observing. Now, you will see the plant will grow out of the box. Open the box and see the plant.
How did this happen?
The plant bends in order to get through all the windows and reach the light. This shows that sun is very essential for plants to grow.
Activity 8. Parts of a plant. Roots. Even though all plants look different, they have similar parts. The roots of the plant perform some very important functions. Roots anchor the plant in the soil. They draw water and nutrients from soil, which are needed to make food. Plant roots have hair-like features called root hairs. Root hairs increase the amount of water and nutrients the plant can take in. Nutrients pass from the soil to the root.
Stems. Nutrients are transported to the rest of the plant through the stem in the tubes called vessels. Stem gives the plant support and come in a variety of forms. Tree trunks and shrubs have a wood stem. Most flowers have upright stems. Some stems climb, such as vines. Some stems, known as tubers, extend underground, such as the potato plant. Other stems, called runners, run along the ground and help to form new plants. Leaves. There are many kinds of leaves. Some are narrow and look like needles, like those on pine trees. Other leaves are flat and much wider. All leaves have tubes running through them called xylem. Xylem helps carry water from the roots to the stem and leaves. The most important function of leaves is to make food for the plant. Leaves need water, carbon dioxide, and the sunlight to make the food. This process of making food is called photosynthesis. Structure and function of plant. A plant's roots absorb water from the soil and carry the water to the rest of the plant. Roots also carry nutrients from the soil to the plant. Water and nutrients move up a plant's stem through tubes called the vessels. These vessels are also called xylem. Xylem's smaller vessels connect the stem to the leaves. This system helps feed and water all the parts of the plant. The air that plants need moves into leaves through a tiny opening called stomata. Leaves also collect sunlight. Photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is a process that takes place inside the leaves. Leaves contain chlorophyll, which gives them their green color. Chlorophyll captures energy from sunlight. Green leaves use the light energy from the sun to combine carbon dioxide from the air with water to manufacture nutrients such as sugar, starches, fats and proteins that the plant needs to live. Another set of tubes, phloem, transport the food materials downward from the leaves to the other parts of the plant in addition to producing food for the plant. Photosynthesis also produces oxygen that animals and people need to breathe. Life on Earth without plants would be impossible.